Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. Got ourselves another box of HelloFresh, and as I told you on the last HelloFresh that we're now ordering a 3-day meals, and I'm going to show you what's for dinner. 25 minutes meal, my friends. So we are having shrimp and pesto penne. There it is, with parmesan and spinach. There it is. That looks delish. And it's only 25 minutes to make, so I think I'm going to be making that right now. And then we have southern pork chops with buttery corn and crispy potatoes. That looks yummy. And then we're having lemon pepper chicken with zesty couscous and roasted vegetables. And that's another 25 minutes meal. See, my friends, so all our meals under 30 minutes. Here we go. We're going to cook one of these. I'm having like, ooh, maybe I should do this one. I think I'm gonna do with, oh, this is southern pork chops with white barbecue sauce, buttery corn, and crispy potatoes. And then the penne pasta. I think I'm gonna make the penne pasta. So let's get cracking for this one. Okay, shrimps and steaks are a little bit pricey because they're premium meals. That's what they're, I think that's what they're called. So let's get together and make some shrimp and penne pasta. These are all the fresh ingredients. We got some spinach. We got some penne pasta. I got some tomatoes. I got some Parmesan cheese in here. And I got some garlic. I got an onion. Okay. And I got some Pacific white shrimp that was in the bag. So let's get cooking. So here's it, my friends, my shrimp and pesto penne with Parmesan cheese and spinach. That's what theirs look like. This is what mine's look like. It looks delicious. And basically that's it, my friends. dinner solved. I'm gonna taste this. I took an allergy pill already, so it's not bad.
It's good.
You think so? I think this was one of the easiest meal that I've ever made from HelloFresh. It says 25 minutes, and I think it did take 25 minutes.
Yeah, because what really needed to cook?
Right.
Other than the pasta, shrimp takes like 3 seconds to cook.
Right. It's okay. It tastes light. It might look heavy, but it tastes light.
Yeah, definitely lighter than I was anticipating.
Yeah.
Close up.
I thought it was gonna be like a super cheesy.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Maybe as it chills a little bit. But yeah, interesting.
Would you order this again?
To me, it's easily forgettable.
It's not
But
bad.
thanks.
There's not that wow taste though. Like
Exactly.
it's
It's not something that you'd be like, oh
yeah,
shoot, what's
yeah,
next?
it's a nice taste. No, it's like light. You know, my friends, it kind of looks a little bit heavy, but it's pretty light tasting, and it's okay. It's not overly delicious, but it can work. And 25 minutes, you can't go wrong. Remember, we're making this and shrimp and pesto penne from HelloFresh. That looks good. This is ours. That also looks good. Very easy, light pasta. This is shrimp and pesto penne with parmesan and spinach. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better.